Good morning, everybody. It's actually not very morning anymore. It's about 10 a.m. and we are off to this area called Seminyak Waterfalls. It's one huge area that has a lot of waterfalls in it. So awesome! We're walking in the rain. It's raining. We're in the hills of Bali. Look at that. Yeah, to reach the waterfalls, you gotta walk 400 steps down. Have to go through rivers and all that, and then after that, after 400 steps, you walk up this little stream and you get here. This is the Waterfalls! Found out that there's another waterfall called Fiji Waterfall, which is next to Seminyak. So we're gonna go walk to that waterfall. Fiji Waterfalls. You can see 3 waterfalls. 1, 2, 3 waterfalls, and this is just so awesome. This is one of the best adventures I've had in Bali for the longest time. It's just so awesome and it's so beautiful. Wonderful Indonesia. Let's come to Bali.